This just goes on and on and on. Apparently the building used to be an old wool manufacturing facility that's been repurposed for this kind of thing. It's open 7 days a week apparently. It's nice this time of year to be indoors. Walking through the little town of shops. There's supposedly about 100 and some odd of them. Lots of antiques and handicraft things. All indoors. All kinds of stuff. Holy cow, look at these signs. Jeez. Everything imaginable. Boy, this is endless. We just got into a basement area. The sign back there said 200 more shops. It's like a lot of furniture and kitchen stuff. Jeez. Like I said, this was a whole basement area that claimed another 200 shops. Look like toys in this area here. See some baseball cards and things. Oh my, there's even more down here. Another basement level. Ay, ay, ay. Like I said, there's just no end to it. Looks like we're coming into an area with furniture. Wow. Wow, this whole area here is just filled with glass cases filled with stuff.
Yep. Butterbeer. Of course. These toys, those are neat.
Wow, look at all this.
Really?
Yep. All manner of stuff. And the sign up overhead here says 50 more shops. Down in the basement it said 200 more down there. I just realized I forgot to turn on my pedometer. We've got a couple old sleds.
I was going to say, if you want sleds, oh, this one has skis on them.
Yeah, a couple of old sleds, toys. Amazing. At this point, we've decided that if we find something that we want, we gotta take it because we'll never find it again. This just goes on and on and on. We're not even sure how to get out of here.